Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need internet and the latest Google Calendar app. Once ready, go to your phone settings and choose Accounts. Tap Add Account, select Google, and sign in with your Google credentials. Make sure you grant calendar and contacts permissions when prompted so events sync properly. This connects your phone to your cloud calendar. Once done, the device can request updates automatically and display events from that account. Next, open the Google Calendar app and go to Settings for the account you added. Toggle Sync on, then choose the specific calendars you want visible. This reduces clutter and saves data. Make sure default notifications are set to your preferences so you receive alerts. Also verify background data and auto-sync are enabled in system settings, because without them your phone won't fetch updates automatically. Once configured, changes on either device propagate quickly. Finish by creating a quick test event on your computer or phone and watch it appear on the other device. You should see changes within seconds. If it doesn't, force a sync from Settings Accounts Google Sync Now and check app permissions. If problems persist, clear the Google Calendar app cache or remove and re-add the Google account. That often fixes stale auth or corrupted data. One tip: ensure the correct time zone is set. Mismatched zones make events look missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.